Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live in Orange County, California with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in there. Chuck asked a question regarding putting a photo in front of the kids that says something like this: great grandchildren. So we got this text, which in his questionnaire asked what font it was, and basically what it is in Impact Regular. So we just opened up a big page, and what we want to do is make the letters see-through with a black outline and show children behind there. Okay, so we type this up. Let's bring in the children. We just grab this from the internet, and let's make that the backdrop for the letters. So first of all, I want to make the letters big enough to fit all of their faces. So I'm just literally going to just drag the letters bigger and grab both ends. And this looks pretty good. You might want to set your pictures up with the children after you do this. But in this case, just for the example, we're just going to do it simple like this. Okay. So now we want to change the color of the letters to make them see-through. So in our case, you don't have to, but I'm just going to go ahead and green screen it just to show you. And then we right click on the letters, edit layer style, go to a stroke. Let's go, since it's already picked with a black stroke, let's give it a nice thick stroke. Let's just go ahead and make it 20 point. It'll be nice and thick like that. So now we're going to back out a little bit, take a look at this, and let's go ahead and make a background for the letters that covers the children. So in between the letters and the children, I'm going to add a layer, a blank layer, and then I'm going to make a white as our backdrop, and I'm going to take the paint bucket and fill it in. Now let's marry the letters to that white backdrop by right clicking up here and merge them down. So now the letters are attached to that white backdrop. They're all one piece. It's all one layer. Now it's really simple. Just literally grab the magic brush, 15% is fine, and click in each letter. And now it's picked it all. Hit the delete button, and there we go. We got, and then Control D to get rid of our lines. We'll back out a little bit, and now we can actually take our top layer. I'm going to lock the children's layer and the layer beneath that, and grab the top layer so I can literally move this around till I find, see, I can move this layer up and down. You can see what's behind it, and it's see-through. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Once you got them kind of where you want them, now you can change these pictures with your children, move them around a little bit if you want, so that they fit the letters better in the background. So what you would do in that case is, once you got the words there, I can lock this layer and then unlock the children's layer, and that could be several different children, and just grabbing in the middle, I'm grabbing that layer. So I could separate the pictures and better position each face in front of the each letter as I want it. The letters. That's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. This is Rich calling it quits for this quick tutorial, saying over and out. Bye.